Top 5 Best Mountain Bikes Under 200. Best Products for Your Lifestyle, handpicked for you. Number 5. Trek 2426-inch 21-speed high-carbon steel mountain bike for teens and adults. This bike turns every ride into an adventure, lightweight, agile, and built to handle city streets like a champ. Perfect for teens, big kids, and adults who refuse to outgrow the thrill of two wheels, it blends durability with style. The high-carbon steel frame offers rugged reliability without the bulk, while 21 precise speeds let you conquer hills and cruise flats with ease. Unlike flimsy department store bikes, this one's engineered for real riding, responsive brakes, smooth gear shifts, and tires that grip pavement confidently. Whether commuting to work, exploring neighborhoods, or just enjoying weekend freedom, it delivers freedom on demand. Sure, it's not a full suspension trail beast, and assembly takes a bit of elbow grease, but for urban agility and everyday fun, it's a standout. Sleek, strong, and seriously fun, this isn't just transportation. It's your next great escape. Number 4. CamPingSurvivals 2627.5-inch mountain bike, 21-speed, dual-disc brake, lightweight carbon frame. This bike doesn't just roll, it conquers. Engineered for weekend warriors and daily commuters alike, the CamPingSurvivals 2627.5-inch mountain bike blends rugged performance with refined comfort. Whether you're carving trails or cruising city streets, its lightweight carbon frame delivers agility without sacrificing strength, unlike heavier aluminum competitors. The responsive suspension fork absorbs bumps effortlessly, while dual-disc brakes ensure confident stopping power in any weather. An adjustable ergonomic seat tailors the ride to your body, mile after mile. With 21 precise speeds, shifting is smooth and intuitive, giving you control over every incline. It's built for riders who demand reliability and style without compromise. Just note, while it handles moderate off-road terrain brilliantly, extreme downhill trails may require more specialized gear. For versatility, durability, and everyday adventure, this bike isn't just a ride, it's your next great escape. Number 3. AirZone Aftershock 20-inch bike, sleek and durable ride. This bike doesn't just roll, it launches. The AirZone Aftershock 20-inch is built for fearless kids who crave speed, style, and serious control. Perfect for ages 6 to 9, it blends rugged durability with smooth handling that outshines flimsy competitors. Its lightweight steel frame and responsive front suspension absorb bumps like a champ, while the rear coaster brake and front hand brake give young riders confident stopping power. Compare that to single brake models, and the difference is night and day. The sleek design? Pure adrenaline on wheels. Kids feel unstoppable, parents appreciate the reliability. Sure, it's not meant for extreme downhill racing, and taller riders might outgrow it fast. But for neighborhood adventures, park jumps, and first taste of independence, this bike delivers thrills without the fluff. The Aftershock isn't just a ride, it's a rite of passage. Number 2. Trek Full Suspension Mountain Bike with 21-speed gear system. This mountain bike doesn't just handle trails, it conquers them. Built for adventurous riders who demand control and comfort, whether you're shredding single track or cruising forest paths. The full suspension system absorbs every bump, giving you smoother rides and better traction than rigid frame competitors. Shift seamlessly through 21 speeds with the intuitive lever featuring a real-time gear indicator. No guessing, just precision. Crafted from durable high-carbon steel, the frame balances strength and responsiveness, while mechanical disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power in any weather. Designed for men, women, and all adult riders, it's engineered to inspire confidence on unpredictable terrain. While it excels on moderate trails, extreme downhill, or professional racing may require more specialized components. Lightweight, responsive, and built to last, this bike transforms every ride into an adventure. Ready to elevate your trail experience? Number 1. Trek 2627.5-inch mountain bike with Shimano gears. This mountain bike doesn't just handle trails, it dominates them. Built for rugged adventurers and weekend warriors alike, its steel frame delivers unmatched durability without sacrificing agility. The Shimano rear derailleur ensures crisp, reliable shifting, while the twist grip shifter puts precision at your fingertips. No fumbling, just flow. Dual disc brakes bite hard in mud, rain, or loose gravel, giving you total control when it matters most. The lockout suspension fork smooths out rough terrain, or locks solid for efficient climbing. With aggressive 2.35-inch all-terrain tires, traction is never in question. And at 85% pre-assembled, you're riding in minutes, not hours. Whether you're carving single track or cruising forest paths, this 26-inch/27.5 hybrid rides like a dream. It's not flawless, steel adds weight, but for the price, performance, and peace of mind, this bike punches far above its class. Thanks for watching Best Mountain Bikes Under 200. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.